Hey guys, welcome to Let's Practice Together LPT. Today we are going to do research on what is data communication. Most of the science computer subjects students are confused after listening what is data communication. So, data communication is the transmission of data between 2 points. A data communication system is a collection of hardware and software arranged to communicate information from one location to another location. What are the basic terms of data communication? Number 1, data. Number 2, data transmission. Number 3, analog signal. Number 4, digital signal. Data. Data means any type of raw facts and figure which can be provided as input to the computer for processing. Data can be in the form of text, sound, graphics, image, or video. What is data transmission? Data transmission means sending information from one place to another using computer network and data communication system in computer technology. For example, fiber optics and satellite communication, etc. What are analog and digital signals? For knowing them, you need to know what is signal. A signal is a variation of physical quantity with time. For example, heartbeat and pressure. Analog signal. It is a continuous form of signal. It varies continuously within a range. For example, sound waves. What are digital signals? Digital signals are not continuous. They switch between two discrete low and high voltage levels. What are the difference between analog and digital signal? This diagram interprets the difference between analog and digital signals. I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe, comment, and share my video, and press the bell icon so that you can get my notification early. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Let's practice together. Thanks.